Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share these emoji without actually using the app. You can actually share them directly inside the Messages app. The first way is to use Apple's new feature. Uh, Tap this little arrow to the left of the text message box and now tap on the App Store icon. Now you might see some emoji from some other app that you've been using. If you do, bottom left corner, tap on those four circles and it'll open up a whole tray full of icons for you. And if you go over to the very end, you'll probably see lolcats since you just installed the app. And I'm going to recommend that you touch and hold and drag it over to the first page. That way you can make it easy to access for in the future. Now let's tap on lolcats and you're going to see all of the emojis down here. If you want to see it bigger, bottom right corner of the screen, tap on that little arrow and you can see all the emojis nice and big over your whole screen. I'm feeling kind of sleepy myself, so I think I'm going to share this one. And you just tap it and then press the send button, and that's it. You can also, by the way, share emojis like this. You can, touch and hold and then drag, and then you can paste it right there. Okay, so there's also an entirely different way that you can share emojis, and that is with an emoji keyboard. Now, right now, I have a few keyboards. This is one of our other apps, Lab Emoji. Um, I also have Pug Life, but I don't see one for lolcats, and the reason for that is I haven't installed it yet. So to do this, open up the settings app, then go to General, scroll down to Keyboard, tap on Keyboards at the top, and then Add New Keyboard. Scroll down to lolcats. Great. Now tap on lolcats again, and then tap Allow Full Access. You're going to see this message that says, well, we need full access. And it says this could include sensitive information such as your credit card number or street address. I've had some questions about this before, so I just want to let you know. Number one, we didn't write this message. Apple writes this message. And number two, Apple requires that any app that has a keyboard extension show this specific message. So this app doesn't do anything to collect your personal data aside from what emojis you share. We use that information in order to improve the app over time, but it's not linked to your personal identity or anything like that. It's just overall we like to know how many users are sharing what emoji. Aside from that, we don't collect any personal information. So I wouldn't worry about this. If you want to use the keyboard, that's the only information that we're getting from you, is what emojis you share, but it's not linked to your personal identity. So anyway, if you want to allow it, press allow. Otherwise, you won't be able to use this keyboard feature. Let's assume that you pressed allow. Now you can go to lolcats and you can see all of our emoji down here. I am going to choose this guy, and all I did is I tapped on it. It says copy, touch the text area to paste. I'm going to touch the text area and tap paste, and I'm going to send it. And so that's all. So yeah, you have two totally different ways you've got to share. You've got the keyboard feature, or you have the new stickers feature. My personal favorite is this one. I think it's just really smooth and easy to use, really handy to access. So I'd personally recommend this one. Or if you prefer, you can always share emojis from inside the app, and this one has the added benefit of having the search tray. So in conclusion, whatever works for you is fine. We try to make multiple ways that you can share. That way, it's super easy to use this app in whatever way works best for you. Thanks so much for listening, and we hope you enjoy the app.